Imagine this. You wake up every day excited because you get to spend your time doing what you love, and you get paid for it. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, the truth is, thousands of people are already doing exactly that. They've turned their hobbies, things like cooking, gaming, photography, crafting, even gardening, into thriving businesses. And today, I'm going to show you how you can do the same. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through the exact process of turning a simple hobby into a profitable business. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap you can follow. So grab a notebook, because this might just be the first step to building the life you've always wanted. Discover your hobby's business potential. First things first, not every hobby automatically makes a good business. So how do you know if yours has potential? Ask yourself these questions. 1. Do people already spend money on this hobby? 2. Is there a community or demand around it? 3. Can you solve a problem or add value with it? Example. Hobby, baking. Business potential. People buy cakes, cookies, and bread all the time, especially for events and celebrations. Demand? Always there. Hobby, gaming. Business potential. Millions watch gaming streams, tutorials, and buy gaming gear. That's a billion-dollar industry. Your hobby doesn't have to be trendy. It just needs to create value for someone else. Define your business model. Now that you've picked your hobby, the next step is figuring out how you'll make money from it. This is your business model. Here are some options. Sell products, handmade crafts, baked goods, digital art, photography prints. Sell services, teaching lessons, coaching, event planning, consulting. Content creation, YouTube, blogging, podcasts, live streaming. Memberships, exclusive clubs, Patreon, online communities. Example, if your hobby is photography, you could sell prints. Offer wedding photography services. Create a YouTube channel teaching photography. Sell presets and editing tutorials online. Pick 1 or 2 models to start with. Don't spread yourself too thin. Validate the idea. Here's where most people fail. They spend months building something nobody wants. That's why validation is key. Validation simply means testing your idea before you invest too much time or money. Ways to validate. 1. Ask your target audience if they'd pay for it. 2. Create a simple landing page with a description and see if people sign up. 3. Offer your product/service to 5 to 10 people for free or at a discount and get feedback. Example, if you bake cakes, make 5 cakes and give them to friends or coworkers at a small price. If they come back for more, you've got demand. Remember, a business isn't about what you think is cool. It's about what customers are willing to pay for. Create your brand. Next up, branding. This doesn't mean you need a fancy logo or a $500 website from day one. Branding is simply how people see and remember you. Here's a quick 3-step branding process. 1. Pick a name. Easy to say, easy to spell, reflects your hobby. 2. Design a simple logo. Use free tools like Canva. 3. Set up online presence. A basic Instagram page, TikTok, or a simple one-page website. Example, if your hobby is fitness coaching, your brand could be called Fit with Anna. Your Instagram bio, helping busy moms get fit at home in just 20 minutes a day. Clear, simple, and memorable. Build your first offer. Businesses make money by offering something in exchange for payment. So your next step is creating your first offer. An offer isn't just a product or service. It's the way you package it for customers. Formula for a great offer. Product/service plus clear benefit plus price plus guarantee/bonus. Example, instead of saying, I bake cakes, say, I bake custom-designed birthday cakes, delivered fresh to your door, starting at $40, satisfaction guaranteed. See the difference? The second one feels professional and irresistible. Marketing your hobby business. Now comes the fun part, getting your first customers. You don't need a $5,000 marketing budget. Start simple. 1. Tell friends and family. Word of mouth is powerful. 2. Use free platforms, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook groups. 3. Share valuable content, tips, tutorials, behind the scenes of your hobby. 4. Offer a small discount or bonus for your first 10 customers. Example, if your hobby is teaching guitar, post short Instagram reels like 5 easy chords for beginners. People will follow you, trust you, and some will book lessons. Set up simple operations. Every business needs systems to run smoothly. Keep it simple. Payments. Use PayPal, Stripe, or Cash App. Scheduling. Use Google Calendar or Calendly. Communication, WhatsApp, email, or Instagram DMs. Delivery. Ship products with local postal service or deliver in person. At this stage, don't overcomplicate it. Focus on serving your customers well. Pricing and money basics. Most hobbyists undercharge. Don't make that mistake. Here's how to set prices. 1. Cover your costs, materials, time, packaging. 2. Add profit. What's your time worth? 3. Check market rates. What are others charging? Example, if it costs you $10 to make a cake, don't sell it for $12. Charge $30 or $40. Why? Because people pay for value, not just ingredients. Also, open a separate bank account for your hobby business. Even if it's just a small online account, it keeps your finances organized. Grow and scale. Once you've got your first few customers, it's time to grow. Ways to scale. Raise your prices once demand grows. Add new products or services. Collaborate with others in your niche. Automate repetitive tasks. Example, if you started baking cakes, maybe later you add cookies, bread, or even online baking classes. Multiple income streams from the same hobby. Mindset and final tips. Here's the truth. Turning your hobby into a business isn't always easy. You'll face challenges. Sometimes you won't make sales right away. But the difference between those who succeed and those who give up is consistency. Remember, start small, don't wait for perfect. Focus on helping people, not just selling. Keep learning and improving. And most importantly, enjoy the process. Because if you build a business around your passion, it won't feel like work. So, what hobby are you going to turn into a business? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear. And if this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more entrepreneurship tips, and share it with a friend who has a hobby worth monetizing. Until next time, keep creating, keep hustling, and turn your passion into profit.